Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you the fingerprint sensor speed test. So I'm just going to unlock my device with the fingerprint like several times, and you will show like how fast it like unlocks my device, reads my fingerprint with this sensor. So here we go. Like as you can see, like I don't even need to unlock my device. I just tap it with my fingerprint and it unlocks immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.